Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2025. It's still hot outside in Salt Lake City, and I'm here with Antoine from New Tech Scientific. And so, Antoine, you have some really interesting in-situ testing equipment. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Our young company started in 2012, and we manufacture systems to qualify materials in situ, inside SEMs, okay, or under microscopes, under optical microscopes. It's possible to do it, okay. Our materials are done to test materials on their mechanical stress or thermal stress, okay.
So thermal and tensile testing, right?
Yes, that's right. And we do or mechanical testing or thermal testing or both. Okay? Like that you can qualify we have done the machines to work under specific atmospheres. Like that you can put or inject oxygen and to know what is happening with you can inject air or water and you can follow under microscope the behavior of your samples under those stresses.
So there are a lot of in-situ tensile or heating holders on the market. What makes yours special? Why would someone be really interested in yours?
First, because the way that we heat up the sample is very specific. We just heat the sample. Is why we can go inside SEMs during hours. We have done tests 850 degrees C during 24 hours inside the SEM, and the polar peaks just heat up about 3 degrees C. That means you do not destroy your SEM because you warm up inside.
So I also saw you had like a testing chamber that you would use on your sample before it goes into the microscope. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, this specific chamber is to perform tests on unknown samples to see the behavior of these samples under temperature, because sometimes there is sublimation because the temperature is going very high, and if you do not know the behavior of your sample, you destroy your detectors inside your SEM chamber. And this in-situ chamber is the chamber has the same specification than the SEM chamber, and the vacuum and so on. And you can do those tests just to know the behavior of your samples before to do inside the SEM.
Yeah, so if you're heating up a metal sample inside the SEM and you don't know how it's going to react, you could just end up coating the inside of your microscope with all kinds of different metals that you didn't want there.
Yes.
And so you want to know beforehand, before you put it in the microscope, how it's going to react, yes?
Yes. And the second thing is, because you can inject gases, you do not know the reaction of your sample with, if you inject oxygen or if you inject water, I don't know. Perhaps a reaction becomes and there is sublimation at 600 degrees C or 800 degrees C up to 1000 degrees C, because we have done tests. The maximum temperature we reached is 1450 degrees C inside the SEM.
That's very warm.
Yes, and though we do not sell this because the lifetime of the oven is because at 1400 degrees C, that's a stress for plenty of materials.
The oven cooked itself. Yeah.
That's
okay.
right.
So if people are interested in learning more about your in-situ testers, where do they find you online?
We have a website, newtech.fr. We are a French company, and you can see our products, and you have some videos, and you can see our development.
Okay. Thank you very much, Antoine.
Thank
and
you.
We've got more from M&M 2024, 2020. Oh no, it's 2025 already.
Yeah.
I'm in trouble. Okay, but we got more coming up. Thanks.